Gabe, today's Friday, February 12th, and it's day 1. This is a reminder for all students that you're not to be inside before the bell in the morning unless you're getting tutoring. So that means hanging out in the halls. In fundraising news, come out to Sunny Snowballs tomorrow and get a fun treat to support Mia's Marrow. Or go jump at Extreme Air tomorrow, Saturday, February 13th. Sunny Snowballs is donating half their sales, and Extreme Air will be donating 30% of sales to Mia's Marrow. Come to Sunny Snowballs or Extreme Air to support Mia.
Calling all Stormers to come out and show your stuff at lunchtime with fun games and activities in open gym. Meet us on the basketball court or soccer field to show us what you're made of.
Hey Stormers, sign-up sheets for 4th quarter sports will be posted in the office Monday, February 22nd. Make sure your completed physical packets are turned in to Miss Peer.
This is the video entitled Can't Feel My Face in the Lip Sync video folder. I wonder what the random fact of the day is.
When a shark is turned upside down, it goes into a trance.
Whoa, that's cool. That's all for today, Stormers.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.